Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to start a new line in same cell in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly, select the cell where you want to write. For example, I am selecting these cells. So after that, write the text. So after writing the text, for example, it is the first part of line. So I want to start a new line here. So then you press Alt and Enter button. So when I will press Alt and Enter button on the keyboard, you can see new line is started. So here I can write again. So if you want to start a new line again, so then again press Alt and Enter button. So you can see new line is started again. So here you can write. So guys, in this way you can start a new line in Excel. So if you want to remove line, just click on it and then press backspace. So you can see new line is disappear. So if you want to again remove the line, just again press backspace. You can see new line is removed. So guys, in this way you can start a new line or remove a line in the Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.